We often hear in the news that GDP is growing. So, what is this GDP and how does it bother us? Let us understand all this in the video. GDP stands for Gross Domestic Product. It is the total value of all the goods and services that are being produced within a country in a specified time period. Usually, it is 1 year. The farmers are producing more crops, the industries are processing more goods, the teachers are teaching, the doctors are providing the healthcare services. All these activities are part of GDP. Now let us understand how does it impact us. So first of all, GDP represents the health of the economy. A growing GDP indicates that the economy is progressing. Secondly, it generates more job opportunities. As a growing GDP indicates that the businesses are growing, so they will hire more people to meet their needs. Thirdly, a GDP attracts the investment. A foreign investor will only invest in your country if they see a strong GDP growth. And GDP also guides the government policies. The policies of the government related to investment, related to taxation or development are being guided by the GDP of the country. Now, if your income is increasing constantly, family income is increasing constantly, then you will be able to afford some better things, and all this will raise your standard of living. So the same thing happens for the economy as well. A higher GDP or a growing GDP indicates the better economic prospects for the country. Now, so GDP is not just about numbers, it is a snapshot of how the country is performing and where is it heading to. As per the reports available, India's nominal GDP has grown nearly 55% in the last 5 years, and the GDP growth rate for the last financial year 2024 to 25 is nearly 6.5%. A growing GDP does not always indicate that all the problems of the economy are solved, but it shows that the economy's economic activities are expanding and thereby new opportunities are being created. Hope it helps. Follow for more such videos. Bye bye.